How to make Macher Jhol, or Bengali-style fish curry with potol. Ingredients used: rohu or rui fish, turmeric powder, methi or fenugreek seeds, pachporon, onion, ginger garlic paste, potol or pointed gourd, green peas, green beans, tomato, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, coriander leaves, black pepper powder. Take a rohu or rui fish and cut into pieces as shown. Marinate it in 2 to 3 teaspoons of turmeric and 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt for around 45 minutes. In a heated kadai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Then add the marinated fish and fry it as shown. After the fish is done frying, remove it from the kadai. In the remaining oil, add 1 teaspoon of methi or fenugreek seeds and 1 teaspoon of pachporon. When the seeds begin to crackle, add 2 medium-sized, finely chopped onions. Fry the onions for a couple of minutes. Then add 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Keep the flame on high and saute until the onions are golden and the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is gone. Then add 10 chopped potol and 100 grams each of green peas and green beans. Cover and cook on low flame for a couple of minutes. Then add 2 chopped tomatoes to your kadai, along with a pinch of salt to help soften the tomatoes. Cover again and cook until the tomatoes become soft. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of jeera or cumin powder. Cook this until the raw smell of the spices are gone. Add 2 cups of water to your kadai. Add salt to taste. And let it boil for 10 minutes. Then add 2 more cups of water and your fried rohu and boil for a few more minutes. Then add some coriander leaves and cook for another 2 minutes. Finally, lower the heat and add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Your fish curry, also known as Macher Jhol, is ready to enjoy. Serve with palak shakir dal or sambar, papad, and pickle. We hope you enjoyed our version of the quintessential dish of the Bengali cuisine. Tell us what you thought of this mouth-watering dish in the comments down below. And please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our latest creations. See you next time!